My name is Richard Clement and I'm the California Kiddie Pool King, and today I'm going to show everyone a little invention that I came up with that you can build for under $200 at Walmart, Home Depot, any material store. You can usually get the things to build this, and obviously a kiddie pool. So today I'm just going to show everyone exactly what I built and how it works, and explain a little bit about it. And in the next video I'll actually show people how to build it. So I'll get all the material and go through step by step how quick and easy it is to build for under $200. So let's go. So this is my porch, and this is my Velcro door, which honestly, if you're gonna do this, you want to use Velcro all the way across. Honestly, you don't want to just use little pieces of Velcro because it doesn't completely seal it like it should. So hold on, sorry about the camera. Let's put this open. Alright. So, as you guys can see, that was my door. Let me kind of fold this back. Alright, what we have here is we have a aquaponic greenhouse made out of a kiddie pool and some other materials for really cheap. So down here we have obviously our goldfish and our koi, which as you can see, it's just some aquarium life. And what the koi do is their waste makes the water nutrient enriched, and that nutrient enriched water is pumped through this pump up to this grow tray, which is actually the medium. I took the bottom of a 5-gallon water jug, cut it and cut some slits into it, I don't know if you can see that, and put a filter in there to catch some of the solid waste, which we'll get into that in the next video with the science of all of it. But and then I'm just explaining it in this one, of course, but and then you're going to plant your lava rock in here, and as you can see, I've already got some vegetables and stuff planted. As you can see, they've just sprouted. They're sprouting a little bit, but if you dig down into this cocoa, you'll see the water line. And that's where the nutrient enriched water is, and that's where your roots will grow down into. And it's actually pumped up into this tray and drained back down through a drain. Sorry, little guy. We'll have to put him back in. But it's pumped down a drain, if you can see. I can move the cocoa. I don't know who's going to let me move enough of it, guys, but yeah. It's pumped through a drain right there that's actually made of PVC. It's not going to let me show you, but that will catch the water line. In the next video, I'll obviously show everyone exactly how it is done. Excuse me, let me put this back. But yes, I'm pretty much showing everyone a quick and easy way to do it. But yes, this was under $200 in materials, and it is a completely organic, self-sustaining system. And in the next video, I'll pretty much show everyone how to throw it together. Thanks for the patience and waiting. But obviously everyone can see it works. We got some little sprouts coming up. Thank you. Have a great day.